first thing you're going to do is take your paper and fold it in half. Make sure your edges are lined up. And take it and crease your paper. So go ahead and do that now. Now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna start by drawing a big upside down U shape. Now, when you do this, you wanna make sure that your upside down U takes up most of your paper. You want your drawing to be nice and big. You don't want it tiny. Look how big that is. And stop. So go ahead and do that. Next, we are going to add in our eyes. So right in the center there, you're going to do 2 circles for your eyes. And then a little dark spot for your pupils. I'm making mine where it looks like the bear's looking up. Now for our nose, we are going to do an upside down triangle. Okay. We're going to do a little line down, just a little ways, and then a smile. I'm going to go ahead and add on the ears. So you do 1 big circle and a smaller one. And do the same for the other side. Big circle. Try to make them even if you can. If they're a little off, that's okay. And a small circle. Now we need to do our hands, which you're just going to do a horizontal line like this. Add on your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, and stop there. You don't want it to go all the way over to the edge. Horizontal, 3, 4 loops down. See how there is a space in the middle of that? We're going to be adding our heart in there. So I'm going to start at the center, and once it touches my hands, I'm going to stop and pretend draw down. And once it's underneath the hand, stop, and then make it go to a point. Now I am ready for my Sharpie. So when you Sharpie, make sure that you reopen your card. If you don't do that, it's going to bleed through and go onto the inside of your card where you should be writing. So keep your card open and go ahead and trace over your lines. If it's not totally perfect, that's okay. Try your best. I'm sorry, my video cut out there, but when you are outlining, make sure that you want to add some fur onto your drawing now. So you're just going to add little lines to represent the fur all over your bear. You want a little bit of space in between them, and you're going to do that everywhere. Don't fill in your heart, but you can do your hands and your ears and the rest of your body. When you are done outlining and you have little hairs, you can color in with crayon. Now your fur is going to be either brown or tan, and your heart is going to be red. Make sure you are coloring in nice and neat. There are no white gaps. And you're staying in your lines. And you can continue. When you are done coloring and outlining, you can go ahead and open up your card and write your message on the inside of your card. So go ahead and do that.